I had this one, right? I had the chicken stick and I had the lead going up. You know what I'm saying? And I had a capacitor I didn't use, but I took another transformer, put another lead going up, tied these together so the case is together. I had to switch the polarity because originally it was wrong. Put the caps in series so it could, be rated for the right voltage. But that just reduces the capacitance. It's 0.8 microfarad at 1, so it's probably somewhere, I don't even know, like slightly less than 1, slightly less than a half, I don't know. I got this there, you arc it on that, and you get in series these, and it's got capacitance, so it's resonant. Fuck, well, I don't even remember what these go to. These stupid leads that go to the magnetron. Oh, that's the filament. Who cares about that? So yeah, let me plug this in real quick. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't plug it in. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Oh, and it's not grounded because I don't like grounding stuff. Know what I'm saying? Woo. It also stopped tripping the breaker once I made it into this. Here's what I noticed. Bare copper to this. Little monkey arcs. Little gay monkey arcs. But if I do it through the burnt insulation, where's my eyes, bro? I might get flash burn. Alright, now we about to unplug this and shit. And then we about to do one of these. Little baby discharge. That wasn't nothing. And then we about to do that. And then we about, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, bro. You know what I'm saying? We about to, oh, I unplugged this because I thought I was gonna accidentally, run a bunch of like high voltage through the grounding, which I did in the ground fault video. Because I seen, like, I would touch it to the ground, and I guess the voltage would go through the ground. Well, there'd be current flow, 4,500 volts, and it's isolated from the secondary, or the primary, flowing through one of the leads, through that, through the ground, to the ground rod, or the water meter, whatever, up into panel, through the pipe, out the ground prong, and then it would start arcing in the cord, and then it would go into the NST, And back. Oh, did I show you? I had my 12 kV one and I broke it on accident. And I soldered something onto this lead. Then it broke. So I might just have to take it out and depot it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got this mounted too. You know what I'm saying? This seal tight's kind of kinked. It's not supposed to do that. I don't know why I ran steel tight. It wasn't that. Got breakers, the switches with the fused, and then the low voltage. I need to fix that. And then this door switch, which I haven't ran any wire to yet. It's just kind of there. You know what I'm saying? My ballast. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then we got, I should take the magnetron and stick it and make the room a microwave. You know what I'm saying? Did I ever show you the new pin? Look at this shit, bro. Look how fucking clean it is, bro. I just haven't replaced the old one yet. Oh, and I got a switch. I don't remember what it does. Oh, I got output from here and it can go either to that or it can go to this. You know what I'm saying? And I got